Hey, what's up, Centropy family? Hope you guys are doing well. Listen, we had a couple questions come in recently about hurting your thumb when you're adjusting with the thumb move. So what I really want to get through to you is that you're not adjusting just with the thumb, you're using your whole hand, okay? So with every Centropy adjustment, we always have at least a 2-point contact, if not a 3-point contact. So what you're going to do is you're going to adjust through your thumb here, but don't think about just moving the thumb like this. We're actually going to be laying our fingers on the jaw or on the clavicle so that we have this arch of support. Your force is going to come through the radius right here, and it's not going to load up the thumb at all. So if you're doing this correctly, it should feel super easy and no discomfort whatsoever. So if you'll watch, so I set up on Aaron here, the thing that I want to do is I'm not trying to just get my thumb there, because now if I make this move, two things. I can hurt my thumb doing this, or I can have the tendency to create a rotary adjustment, okay? So what we want to do is we want to line up our radius with the vector we're going in. You put the thumb on the articular pillar, and now these fingers sit on the jaw. And if you'll notice, now I'm moving through both, the fingers on the jaw as well as the thumb, okay? So from this side, so you can see it a little better, I'm not doing this, okay? I'm laying this here, and you'll see that my radius is perfectly lined up with my vector, and it goes through the jaw and through the articular pillar, and it's pure lateral flexion.
And what I feel, go ahead and do that again, but just stay there, is it's completely distributed. It feels so comfortable. His hand feels so relaxed. It's being distributed through these fingers here and through his thumb, and it just feels like it's moving exactly how it's supposed to move. No threat.
And now, what does it feel like if I do that?
That immediately, I'm tight and just like, don't do it.
Because you're making a hard contact. So this is a very good point that we're making here. Not only is it hard on your thumb, but it's hard on the people you're adjusting. So for you to be able to get that energy into the system as efficiently as possible, make sure and get that 2-point contact. It's going to be easier for them, easier for you, and we'll see you soon.
Easier all the way around. See you soon. Bye.